2007.5 to present day Ram pickup truck owners. What we've got before us today is the 6.7 Cummins engine, legendary engine, but it does have its flaws and failures. Now, a lot's changed from 07.5 to what our present day Cummins engines look like. But what we've got before you is our workhorse engine, and it doesn't matter whether it's a 07.5 or it's a 2024. We've actually got the fix for all of them. The notorious problem is that the Cummins engine's valve seats many times will fail. They'll heat up. We've talked about that in other videos, and they'll expand. They go to contract, they fall off, they fall in the cylinder, and they destroy the engine. We fix these problems by oversized valve seats, by upgraded materials, greater press fit, a lot of things that we do. But in the workhorse engine, we also machine the cylinder head for better heat dissipation properties. One of the other things that we do is that we provide threaded plugs in the tops of the heads. This is extra insurance. Just in case the plug was to blow out, then it's going to put all the coolant into the oil and it can cause internal damage. So we thread all these plugs just to make sure there's no issues. This fixes these factory failures that are so costly for your engine. So what comes with a Choate Workhorse engine? Well, first we've got O-ring cylinder heads, starting kind of from the top and working our way to the bottom. The O-ring cylinder head bites the multi-layer steel gasket, keeps it from moving around, provides a heat sink, and this is really great if you're running higher boost applications, larger turbochargers, or even the stock variable geometry turbocharger. The variable nozzle turbo on this increases back pressure, which is also a reason for head gasket failure. Now, the O-ring cylinder heads really helps to combat this. It also comes with chromoly push rods. The reason for the chromoly push rods is because we're using a 188-220 camshaft in this, so we've got greater lift, greater duration, better heat dissipation, again, from the engine, and it spools the turbo up better. We have better scavenging, which helps volumetric efficiency of the engine. So we're going to have an engine that is a lot more durable, but it's also excellent for guys that are looking for better fuel mileage. The pistons, polyfin coated pistons with valve reliefs already accommodating that bigger camshaft. So working our way down, you'll see that we have a TIG welded camshaft gear here just for added security. It's also got a new oil pump that comes with this. Comes with billet freeze plugs. Now these billet freeze plugs are really nice because the larger diameter plugs on the Cummins engines are notorious for blowing out, especially after a rebuild, or so when you're putting a new engine in, because a lot of times guys aren't getting these air pockets out of their systems. The bulletproof plugs actually have a backing behind them. That's the reason for the two bolts on either side. This keeps this from departing. If this thing was to come out, it's going to blow out, you're going to lose all your coolant, and it can cause catastrophic failure. We also have the same thing going on the backside. This is also a blow-proof plug that really looks nice. It's just a shame that it's on the back and you're never going to see it after you install it again. It's already head studded. So this is a 220,000 pound tensile strength rod that's going to provide better clamping load for you than what your factory head bolts would provide. So this is a lot more security. If you've got the camper, if you're hauling cows, hay, if you're hauling anything for work, you're a hot shotter, your truck stays hooked to a trailer all the time, this is the engine that you're going to want, because not only does it come with the balanced rotational assembly that all of them come with, the torque plate honing, the blueprint boring, the decking, all of the things that you would find in our other models, it comes with the upgraded parts and components to make your truck as reliable as it can possibly be. So if you're looking for an engine, look no further than the Choate Engineering Workhorse 6.7. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.